I'm gonna give you my honest review of this Turbolock. And this lock is good for if you got small kids or aging parents that you want to keep them out of certain things, maybe your pantry or your closets and things like that. But this lock have been working great for me. I've had it for 6 years, and I noticed that a lot of people with this lock, they let the battery run out. And if you ever let the battery run out and you got it on the wrong door, you got a problem. Make sure you keep this battery pack right here. And I've had it only use it once out of 6 years. And these take the AAA batteries. It takes 4 AAA batteries. And if I was you, I wouldn't put those batteries in until I get ready to use it. Like I said, I only used this thing once in 6 years. Because if you put the batteries in there, they're going to corrode and all that. But only put them in there when you get ready to use it. And this lock is good. Like that right there, you just pull that little seal out and you insert your battery pack. Make sure you put that seal back in, especially if you're using it for outside. But like I said, at certain doors you should put these on. Do not, and I'm gonna stress it again, do not put these on your bedroom doors or the entry to your house. Only use it for your pantries or just certain doors that you can pull out. Doors that you have to push in to open it, do not use these on. I'm gonna show you. Right here is my pantry. You see right here, it has the hinges on the outside. So if I open the door, the hinges on the outside. So if you ever get locked out and the battery pack don't work, you can take this and you can knock these little hinges out and you can take the door off the hinges. So that's why I say only use these on pantries. Like this bathroom door, you do not want to use this on there because you have to push this door in to get into the restroom. And like you see right there, those hinges, you can't get to them. So if you ever get locked out in the restrooms or anything, you're going to have a problem. So I'm going to show you the first time I had to use this. And I made this video right here. I had this battery pack and I had to install my batteries in there because I let my batteries run out. And these batteries last for a year in these Turbolocks. So first thing what you want to do is go ahead and get this lock and put your batteries in it. And you take that little seal out. And once you take the seal out, you want to make sure your battery pack is turned on. I hear a lot of people complain about theirs not working. I haven't had that problem yet, thank God. But you make sure you push that all the way in and make sure that it is on so it will feed power to your Turbolock. And you enter your code. Once you enter your code, you hit pound and it should unlock and you should get in. Make sure you change those batteries out once you do that. And put that little seal back in and you're all good. And if you want to purchase one of these, just look in the description below. And thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.